The implementation of the Personal Income Tax Amendment Act 2011 commences in April this year. While addressing journalists on the amended law, the chairman of the Joint Tax Board and the CEO of the Federal Inland Revenue Service, Mrs. Ifueko Omogui-Okaru, stated that the amendment provides an equitable personal income tax administration that's realistic and simple. Under the amended law, the personal income tax has been brought to terms with the realities of the Nigerian economy, especially in relation to its impact on low and middle income earners.
To introduce the amendments to the personal income tax law and also actually address any issues related to personal income taxation that may be on the minds of taxpayers and also of the president. And basically also to communicate the essence of the amendment, which is to provide better equity. That really is the essence. And in doing that, improve the level of voluntary compliance and ultimately improve the revenues for all revenue authorities and ultimately the revenues for government. There are some things in the old act where this has enhanced the provisions or improved the provisions. So for example, take penalties and sanctions. You have more severe penalties now for non-remittance, non-deduction, non-filing of returns, amongst others. You had a tax table in the old law, now you have a much more equitable tax table. You had minimum tax in the new law, in the old law, now you have a different minimum tax. So basically, it's really an improvement on what we had in the new law. So that way, it's easier, it is simpler, it's more equitable, and it's fairer to both the taxpayer and to government.